Hi guys, welcome to Next Step Immigration. Did you know that factories in Canada provide their workers with fair compensation, reasonable health benefits, excellent work-life balance, and a pleasant working environment? They also offer opportunities for career advancement and job security. Employers from Canada will sponsor your visa for this position. You can apply for this position with a secondary school diploma or a high school diploma and are not required to have any experience. With a shift work schedule, factory workers are paid between 15 and 25 Canadian dollars per hour. There are more than 12,000 open opportunities in Canadian factories. We will go through the many positions you can apply for, immigration pathways, and the procedures to take in order to immigrate to Canada as a factory worker in this video. Material handling, cleanup, packing, and other elemental tasks in processing, manufacturing, and utilities are performed by these groups of personnel in factories. They carry out particular tasks associated with their separate and assigned areas of responsibilities. What are the requirements? There are two categories for these requirements. Both the basic requirements for working in Canada and the particular requirements for working in factories in Canada. The most crucial factor is that you must be able to converse in either English or French, or both, as Canada is a bilingual nation. Your educational background is also crucial. A certification for an apprenticeship would be very helpful. For this profession, on-the-job training is typically offered, and you can also obtain documentation from your former employer to support your prior experiences. To immigrate to Canada as a factory worker, you must be at least 18 years old. What are the types of factories? The industrial sector in Canada is very diverse. The majority of the products that consumers buy are made at these factories. The main categories of industrial factories are those that produce food, clothing, and textiles, as well as chemicals, plastics, metal, electronics, wood, and paper. You can apply for a variety of factory jobs, such as those in manufacturing, machine operation, packaging, mechanical engineering, factory management, factory assistant, manufacturing management, general labor, and more. Although jobs in Canadian factories may vary depending on the industry you work in, we will list a few general responsibilities for employees in the manufacturing, processing, and utilities sectors. Transportation of raw materials, finished goods, and equipment is one of them. Others include weighing materials and goods, sorting, packing, and packaging goods as needed. What are the methods for entering Canada? The Federal Skilled Trades Program is the quickest and most straightforward way to immigrate to Canada, provided you satisfy the minimal age, educational, and medical requirements. Additionally, a province formed an organized mechanism called the Provincial Nominee Programs. Each of these provinces has certain requirements for immigrants who want to work there. Additionally, the following step after deciding on a path that will enable you to submit an application and immigrate to Canada is to accept a job offer from a Canadian employer. How do you apply for factory jobs in Canada? Utilize any of the following websites to submit your application materials: jobbank.gc.ca, ca.indeed.com, and glassdoor.com. These are websites where job seekers can look for jobs and submit online applications. There is a sophisticated filter search option on the JobBank website. You may sort the occupations in Canada that are best suited for both Canadian citizens and foreigners looking to work there. Choose the position you want, then carefully study the job summary, job description, and pay information. Go over the company overview and the employment benefits. After taking all of this into account, you can move on to the application instructions on the company's website. Remember, the more applications you submit, the greater your chances of landing a job. Given the huge demand for factory workers in Canada, moving there would not be difficult. Once you meet the requirements, apply for factory jobs in Canada. Even before submitting your application for immigration to Canada, you can begin applying for jobs. Your chances of getting a job offer will increase, so prepare your CV in Canadian style, write a cover letter, and start applying for opportunities right away. Apply using the steps in this video, then start making preparations to move to Canada right away. To be informed about employment and immigration news, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Good luck.